In this video, I'll show you how to create professional YouTube channel art in Photopea step by step. Great channel art makes your YouTube channel look more professional and helps viewers instantly recognize your brand. First, open your browser and go to photopea.com. On the home page, click ***, file ***, then new ***. Set the canvas size to *2560 x 1440 pixels ***, which is YouTube's recommended size for channel art. Then click Create *** to open your blank canvas. Now choose a background that matches your channel's style. You can use a solid color, a gradient, or place an image by clicking ***, file ***, and open and place ***. Resize the image so it covers the entire canvas. Next, select the *** text tool and type your channel name. Choose a bold, easy-to-read font and customize the size, color, and alignment. You can also add a short tagline, upload schedule, or social media name if you want your audience to find you on other platforms. To make your channel art stand out, add your logo, icons, or graphic elements. Use the asterisk shape tool ***, move tool ***, and layers *** panel to arrange everything neatly. If needed, apply simple effects like asterisk drop, shadow ***, or stroke ** to make your text more visible against the background. Keep all important text, logos, and graphics inside the center safe area because YouTube crops the banner differently on mobile devices, desktops, and TVs. Placing your main content in the center ensures it stays visible on every screen size. Once your design is complete, click ***, file ***, then save as PSD** to keep an editable version. After that, click ***, file ***, export as ***, choose **PNG** for high-quality output, and click Save *** to download your finished channel art. And that's how you can create professional YouTube channel art in Photopea. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video.